Welcome back, guys. It's another episode on Sick series. So, I'm just being lazy and tired, so I got to rest, so why not review some tech of mine? So today we're going to be looking at the Aulala F2088 typewriting steampunk style keyboard. Now this has 50 different ways you can use for RGB. It's also hot swap, but at the same time, the hot swap can be good or really bad, and let's get into that. Now, you want your hot swap to be fast and easy when you take it off, but this isn't a budget keyboard and it's really hard to take it off. If it's really hard to take it off, it means it's well built, but at the same time you kind of get both sides of it. The back plate or the case is steel, like literally pure steel, which is quite nice. And it does all blue switches. It did come with a knob, but the only bad thing I give this is how the knob is constantly falling off. Like, mine's falling off 24/7, which is really annoying. But it's such a good keyboard. I'm not even mad with it, dude. So let me give up a close-up perspection of what it looks like. But like I said, there's 50 different ways you can RGB customize this. I just need to look at how to do it. It has as well a wrist rest right here that's fully metal as well as magnetic. So you just pop it on there, just like so. That's the wrong side, sorry. And boom, it's straight on. And then you have a whole keyboard. It also has stands, and the stands are plastic, but it has rubber on the ends of them to equalize best support and comfort as well as grip. But now for the typing test, which we're going to do.